Hello students, today we will continue chapter 4, that is practical geometry. Let's solve exercise 4.1. We take first sum, construct the following quadrilaterals. First part, quadrilateral ABCD. AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 6 centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Students, these are the measurement of quadrilateral. Firstly, we draw a rough sketch. So this is rough sketch. Students, I have told you already that we cannot use scale while drawing rough sketch. So first we give the name of quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Students, you can give the name of this quadrilateral as your choice. A, B, C, D or A, B, C, D or A, B, C, D and A, B, C, D. You can give the name of this quadrilateral as your choice, anti-clockwise or clockwise. You can give the name of this quadrilateral as A, B, C, D. This is your choice. And students, you can draw rough sketch like this. This is rough sketch. This is also your choice. And like this. This is totally your choice. That how do you draw rough sketch? So I have drawn rough sketch like this and I give the name of this quadrilateral is A, B, C, D, where AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So we write 4.5 centimeter. BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. So we write here 5.5 centimeter. And CD is equal to 4 centimeter. So we write here 4 centimeter. And AD is equal to 6 centimeter. So we write here 6 centimeter. And AC is equal to 7 centimeter. So we join point A and C. This is AC and this is 7 centimeter. Student, this is the diagonal of quadrilateral ABCD. Clear? So now our rough sketch is ready. Now we will see the rough sketch and construct quadrilateral ABCD. Base is BC and BC is 5.5 centimeter. So we draw a line segment. This is 5.5 centimeter. Students, you can see this is 5.5 centimeter and this is BC. We write BC. Now we will take 4.5. Students, you can see I will take 4.5 centimeter in compass. This is 4.5 centimeter. And take B as a center, we draw an arc. This is arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. Now we will take 7 centimeter. You can see here I will take 7 centimeter. Clear? Now we will draw arc with center C. So this is arc and this arc intersect the previous arc at point A. So we write A here. This is A. Now we will join point A and B. This is AB, and when we will join point A and C, this is AC. Clear, students? Now we will draw AD. AD is 6 centimeter. So we take 6 centimeter in compass. You can see here 6 centimeter. Now we will draw an arc with center A. Now we will take A as a center and we draw an arc. This is an arc of radius 6 centimeter. Now CD is 4 centimeter. So we take 4 centimeter in compass. This is 4 centimeter and we draw an arc with center C. This is C and we take C as a center and we draw arc. This is arc 4 centimeter radius. Clear? These are intersect to each other at point D. So we write D here. This is D. Now we will join point A and D. Students, this is AD. Now we will join point D and C. This is AC. Clear? You can see here ABCD is quadrilateral where AB is 4.5 centimeter. So we write here 4.5 centimeter. BC is 5.5 centimeter. So we write 5.5 centimeter here. CD is 4 centimeter. So we write 4 centimeter here and AD is 6 centimeter. So we write 6 centimeter here. And AC is diagonal and AC is 7 centimeter. So we write 7 centimeter here. This is quadrilateral ABCD. Now you have to write steps of construction. So first step is draw a line segment BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Clear, students? We have draw line segment BC 5.5 centimeter. So this is first step. Second step is with B as a center and radius is equal to 4.5 centimeter and draw an arc. Clear? So this is second step. Third step is with C as center and radius is equal to 7 centimeter and draw another arc to intersect previous arc at A. This is third step. And fourth step is draw AB and AC. And fifth, with A as center and radius is equal to 6 centimeter, draw an arc and C as center and radius 4 centimeter. Draw another arc to intersect previous arc at D. Sixth step, draw line AD and CD. Quadrilateral ABCD is required quadrilateral. So this is our quadrilateral ABCD and these are the steps of construction of quadrilateral ABCD. Students, second sum you have to solve yourself. Now we will continue this exercise in next video. Up till then, thank you.